Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to talk about louvered roofs. We're going to talk about the basics, what a louvered roof is. A louvered roof does everything a regular roof does, plus it opens. So you can control the light. You can get as much light in or as little light as you want. It's also waterproof. It's got an internal water management system, so it captures the water and takes the water away. So this you can use 10 months a year, no rain days. In this video, we're going to show you 5 really cool designs to inspire you guys to start thinking about your own backyard oasis. There's lots of different ways to attach a louvered roof to an existing structure. Picking the right way to do it is important. This one here, we went over the existing structure because that gave us that 9 to 11 foot ceiling height that we look for. That's the sweet spot. Gives you enough protection, but also it makes you feel like you're walking out into a grand space. You'll notice that what we covered was the kitchen and the lounge area. So putting a fire underneath the louvered roof is not a problem. So having the grill underneath the louvered roof and the lounge area is what people want the most. The lounge, you don't have to cover your furniture. You want to be able to hang out. Having the grill under there is a huge bonus because now you can grill year round. This next project, I really love this next project. I love the black and white vibe going on. We did some really cool stuff here. This is tucked into the back corner of the house. Shade was not really an issue for these people. What their concern was obviously protecting their stuff, but also creating a sense of space, creating an outdoor living room. You need the structure to put up your ceiling fans, your heaters, your lighting. It really makes it an outdoor living room. And we took that outdoor living room to the next level here. We paneled all the walls on the inside, multiple TVs. We did this super cool kitchen that has everything in it, including a pizza oven. Can you imagine being out here, game day with the TVs on, making pizzas, hanging out? Absolutely beautiful space. So this one here, multi-level patio, cool curves, cool rail top bar. We did black on black with a modern post, nice big ceiling fans, lights, heaters, the whole bit. This we chose to cover the dining area. They're overlooking the pool. They wanted some place to eat at night that was climate controlled. They wanted the fans, they wanted the lighting. This whole space, the multi-level patio, the black on black, overlooking the pool with this gorgeous, I mean, look at this at night. The lighting is just amazing, amazing place to hang out. So this next deck, kind of a signature for us, and this is a deck. We've done it a few times. Combination gable roof, louvered roof. Gable roof has the cool black metal, black frame on the louvered roof, white louvers, and white ceiling underneath. Really, the whole thing just ties together, a beautiful vibe. So one of the reasons we do this is we wanted to be able to have the light inside of the interior kitchen, as well as not have the exterior kitchen underneath the regular roof, which would require exhaust fans, etc., depending on your code and your area. There is engineering considerations when you do something like this because you're tying into a gable roof and you have to design the gable roof to carry the load of the pergola. And you also have to deal with water considerations. The results speak for themselves. Having the combination roof, the louvered roof, and the gable roof, absolutely stunning. So our last project here, this one here, we have a sunken living room in the backyard. It was already dug out. They were going to put an addition in the backyard. Actually, the previous owner was going to put an addition in the backyard before they bought this house and left it as a foundation. So what we did was we took that foundation and we finished it like a sunken living room, which was saved them money because they weren't filling it in, and also gave them a very unique space here, and being lower down gives them a little more protection. And just the results are stunning. It just came out great. And one of the cool things about this is because it's tucked into the corner of the house and then we put another privacy wall on the far side, they've got 3 sides of protection here and privacy. So it's a very private space and it's very well protected. So 10 months a year is not a problem with this space at all. I hope you guys like what you saw and it inspired you. There's tons of stuff you can do to really tie a louvered roof into your existing space and create that outdoor living room that everybody really wants. And you can be true to the architecture. Whether it's traditional, transitional, modern, even a Tudor style home can have a louvered roof that looks like it's supposed to be there. And that's really the key, designing it so it looks like it was always meant to be. There's tons of pictures on our website. You can see all these different kinds of designs, and I hope it inspires you to build a beautiful space in your backyard.